Hello again everyone, welcome back to the All Things Football YouTube channel and welcome to today's video, which is a little different as we are taking a look at the final packs of Match Attax On Demand that were produced for the 2019-2020 season. We have 5 packs here of On Demand for the Bundesliga, which Topps produced, and also the 3 remaining packs, cards 71 to 85 of the Match Attax On Demand for the UEFA Champions League for 2019-2020. So let's first of all get into this first pack of the Bundesliga and see what we have in here. So we start with this one, which is Florian Wirtz of Bayer Leverkusen, 30 defence, 71 attack. That's the basic backing on the back of the card there. The next one is Leon Goretzka of Bayern Munich, 91 defence, 78 attack. Quite a nice design on these Bundesliga On Demand cards, I must admit. Next up, I'm not sure on this club. Oh, it's Freiburg, this one. It is Nils Peterson, or Pettersson, however that's pronounced, 45 defence, 85 attack. The fourth is Rowan Hennings of Fortuna Düsseldorf, 44 defence, 74 attack. And the final one for the first pack, Christian Stromdijk of Paderborn, 63 defence, 23 attack for him. So let's just pop that pack over there out of the way and get into the next one. We start this next one with RB Leipzig's Dani Olmo, 50 defence, 87 attack. The next one is the fantastic Erling Haaland of Borussia Dortmund, 39 defence, 89 attack for the Norwegian. The third one is Nicholas Füllkrug of Werder Bremen, 28 defence, 78 attack for him. The fourth is Andre Silva of Eintracht Frankfurt, 49 defence, 84 attack. And the final one, covering his ears, I don't think he wants to hear what the crowd are saying, is Florian Niederlechner of Augsburg, 44 defence, 75 attack for him. Well, let's get straight into the third pack. They are not for any particular moments, these, they are just seem to be taken from particular fixtures on that given week. So this one starts off with Jonas Hoffmann of Mönchengladbach, 47 defence, 83 attack. Then we have Robert Lewandowski, the fantastic pull from Bayern Munich, 50 defence, 91 attack for him. Next up, it's Jonathan Bergdat, I'm not quite sure on that pronunciation, for 05 Mainz, 24 defence, 67 attack. The fourth is Munas Dabour of Hoffenheim, 34 defence, 74 attack. And the final one for this pack is Moussa Diaby of Bayer Leverkusen, 46 defence, 73 attack. Let's get straight on with packet number 4, where we start this one with the fantastic Norwegian Erling Haaland of Borussia Dortmund, once again 40 defence, 91 attack. Next up, it's Matthias Kunke of Hertha Berlin, 22 defence, 70 attack. The third is Lars Stindl of Mönchengladbach, 56 defence, 93 attack. Next up, it's Danny Latza of 05 Mainz, 77 defence, 60 attack. And the final one for this pack is Robert Skov, the Dane from Hoffenheim, 49 defence, 75 attack. And the final pack of the Bundesliga on demand produced for the UK. As you see there, a similar design to the on demand for the UCL. The value of the player there, the other meaningless statistics there, the name down the left, the stats that everyone's interested in the same place at the bottom. So, in this final pack we have Timo Werner in his RB Leipzig kit, now at Chelsea of course. 30 defence, 95 attack, 10 million euros his value was. Next up, it's Yuya Osako of Werder Bremen, 37 defence, 79 attack. The third one is Jonas Hoffmann of Mönchengladbach, 50 defence, 84 attack. The fourth from Freiburg is Luca Waldschmidt, 34 defence, 79 attack. And the final one from Hoffenheim, 41 defence, 94 attack, 10 million euros, is the Croat Andrej Kramaric, formerly of Leicester City of course. So those are the 5 packs of on demand for the Bundesliga that Topps UK produced for the 2019-20 season. Not sure why they didn't start it earlier in the season and do the full season instead of just 5 particular weeks, but not sure what was going on there with the thinking, to be honest. So let's get straight on with the 3 final UK packs of 2019-2020 season. Let's get the cards out for this first one. This was pack 15. 71 to 75 they are. So the first one was Neymar Jr. of PSG, 38 defence, 91 attack, 12 million euros the value. And these were, as you see there, the freestyler packs, or pack in this instance, not for any particular magic moment from a Champions League game week. Number 72 was Hakim Ziyech, now of Chelsea, in his Ajax strip, 59 defence, 83 attack, 9 million euros. The third one, the fantastic Jadon Sancho of Borussia Dortmund, 55 defence, 91 attack, 12 million euros his value. The fourth was the Brazilian Marcelo of Real Madrid, 89 defence, 63 attack, 9 million euros was his value. And the final one was Bobby Firmino of Liverpool, 57 defence, 91 attack, 12 million euros. There was the standard backing as on all the on-demand cards for 2019-20. So that was pack number 15, the freestylers. Let's get on to pack number 16, which was for a Champions League game week. These were 76 to 80 Number 76 is Gabriel Jesus, the Brazilian from Manchester City. 41 defence, 92 attack, 12 million euros. And his card was from the 2-1 win over Real Madrid. Scores in both home and away games. The second, Ivan Perisic of Bayern Munich, the Croat, formerly of Inter of course. 58 defence, 81 attack, 8 million euros his value. And his was from the 4-1 win over Chelsea. Calm finish, doubles lead. The third, Robert Lewandowski of Bayern Munich also. 53 defence, 96 attack, 14 million euros for the Polish international. And his was from the same game against Chelsea, that 4-1 win. World class performance. The fourth, number 79, was Clement Lenglet, the French centre-half from Barcelona. 88 defence, 39 attack, 9 million euros his value. And his was from the 3-1 win over Napoli at the Nou Camp, defender's first UEFA Champions League goal. And the final one, number 80, Memphis Depay of Lyon. 74 defence, 60 attack, 6 million euros his value, not 60. And his was from the 1-0 win, the 2-1 defeat at Juventus. I don't know why it's got only 1-0 to Juventus there. That's another mistake from Tops. Goal seals aggregate win, which was the away goal of course. So that is pack 15 and 16. The final pack of the 2019-20 season for Match Attax On Demand for the Champions League was pack 17. And it was for the Champions League final between Bayern Munich and PSG. It's like a winner's commemorative game week. These are numbered 81 to 85. So, first of all, we start with Robert Lewandowski, the Champions League trophy there. 53 defence, 100 attack, 14 million euros. And it's from the final against PSG, what Bayern won 1-0. UEFA Champions League winner 2019-20. I think these are all going to be the same. Yes, they are. This one's Manuel Neuer with the trophy. 100 defence, 7 attack, 9 million euros his value. The next one, Joshua Kimmich. 100 defence, 73 attack, 9 million euros. Usual back in there for last season. The fourth, Thomas Muller. Number 84. 49 defence, 100 attack. 9 million euros there, punch in the air, wearing his winner's medal. And the final one, the Canadian fullback Alphonso Davies. 100 defence, 73 attack, 9 million euros. He's looking very happy there with the Champions League trophy. He's number 85, which was the final card of Match Attax On Demand for the UEFA Champions League for season 2019-20. So I hope you've enjoyed this opening and review of several Match Attax On Demand packs for the 2019-20 season, the remaining packs for that season, where we opened 5 packs of the Bundesliga On Demand that were produced by Tops UK, and the final 3 packs of On Demand for the UEFA Champions League for season 2019-20. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing. If you are, turn on that notification bell. Plenty more videos coming in the not too distant future, and I will see you all in them videos. Thanks for watching everyone, and goodbye.